This quick guide will show you how to import a CSV file into Klaviyo. Whether you're new to Klaviyo or just need a refresher, this step-by-step tutorial will make the process simple and straightforward. Importing CSV files is a crucial task when you want to manage your contacts efficiently and ensure your marketing efforts are targeted and effective. So, let's dive in and get started. First, open up your Klaviyo account and turn your attention to the left-hand navigation menu. Here, you'll see an option labeled Audience. Click on it and a drop-down will appear. From this drop-down, select Lists and Segments. This is where you can manage all your contacts and organize them into lists or segments that suit your marketing needs. Now, it's time to decide your destination for the CSV data. If you want to add your contacts to an already existing list, you'll need to locate that list within your directory grid. The directory grid is essentially a table that displays all your existing lists. Once you've found the list you want to use, click directly on its name. This action will prepare Klaviyo to receive the new data from your CSV file. With your destination set, the next step is to upload your CSV document. Ensure that your CSV file is formatted correctly and contains all the necessary information you want to import. Common fields in a CSV might include names, email addresses, phone numbers, and any other relevant data you have collected. Also, double-check that your CSV file is saved with the correct file extension. This will help prevent any issues during the upload process. Once your CSV file is ready, look for the Upload option in Klaviyo. You should see an option to upload files within the list you selected. Click on this option to open the file uploader. Then, navigate to the location on your computer where your CSV file is saved. Select the file and confirm the upload. Klaviyo will begin processing the file, and depending on the size of your CSV, this may take a few moments. While the file is uploading, Klaviyo might prompt you to map the fields from your CSV to the fields in Klaviyo. This is an important step because it ensures that the data from your CSV is correctly aligned with the fields in your Klaviyo list. Take a moment to review each column from your CSV and match it with the corresponding Klaviyo field. For example, make sure that the name column in your CSV is mapped to the name field in Klaviyo, and so on. Once you've confirmed all the mappings, proceed with the import. After the import is complete, Klaviyo will display a summary of the import process. This summary will show how many contacts were successfully imported and notify you if there were any errors. If everything looks good, you're all set. Your new contacts are now part of your Klaviyo list and ready for your next email campaign. And there you have it. You've successfully imported a CSV file into Klaviyo, streamlining your contact management process and enhancing your marketing capabilities. With your contacts organized and ready, you can now focus on crafting, engaging, and effective marketing campaigns. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on using Klaviyo to its fullest potential. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.